Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a very quick unboxing of the items that I recently purchased from the latest Coach outlet sale, and there were several items that caught my eye. Surprisingly, the made for factory outlet stuff was looking better to me than a lot of the retail stuff they happen to have on the site, but I want to look over it in person with you and see if I really like it as much as I thought I would based on the pictures. And the made for factory items I got are all kind of similar, so I'm really looking to pick one that I want to keep and return the rest. I just couldn't decide based on the online pictures which one I liked the best. So let's get started. Here we go. All I have done is cut the tape on this box. So it looks like we have a lot of unwrapping to do. This is, I think this is one of the made for factory outlet items that I thought looked really nice. So this one is the Amber Hobo. Let me take some of this wrapping off so you can see. It's this really pretty green color, and I really liked the croc detail that they had on this bag, plus the kind of brushed gold hardware. I thought it was a really classy combination. You guys know I love a one-strap hobo, so this looked right up my alley. And then when you take this part off, you can see there is a snakeskin detail on this strap. So that was a really cute little bag. I really liked the color, and I really liked the idea of it. So I wanted to see it in person and see if I liked it just as much. The inside is pretty plain. A couple of pockets in there, some zip pockets, but otherwise pretty simple. And I really wanted to see also how this lock worked in person. It's actually pretty cool. You thread it through here, the circle part, and then you just pull up and it clicks into place. So I really think that's a nice feature as well. So the other two made for factory outlet bags that I got are similar. I think it's all from the same line. So here is the next one. This is the Avery shoulder bag, which I thought looked like another really interesting style. This is really pretty too. I don't know why I'm gonna pick one. It has the same details here with the brushed gold hardware. This closure is different. So you can see here you have kind of this closure reminds me of the Sloan, Michael Kors Sloan, where you kind of press it in and it pops open. So that's also pretty easy to use. And then this has two shoulder straps. There's no exotic leather detail on this bag. It's just this kind of cross grain leather that reminds me a lot of Saffiano. So this is a less expensive option, which I thought was really nice. If I can find my receipt in here, I'll tell you guys all the prices that I paid. Let's see what the inside. The inside is kind of has that Lexi Edie thing going on, where you have the three different compartments. The center section that's zipped, and then the two side sections. But I thought this was also a really cute size for me especially, and I thought the design looked really nice and modern. I kind of do miss the exotic leather. I think that kind of punches the other one up a notch, but I really think this is a nice, cute little option. So let's see, I think this is the third one from the same line that I got. This is the Avery crossbody. So once again, you see same color, same details. It has the closure of the second one I just showed you guys, but it has the exotic leather of the first one. So it has the same snake detail on the handle. It has the croc on the flap. There is a little back pocket here, but it's pretty useless. It's real small. Maybe you could fit a credit card in it if you were like in a rush. And then the strap is, I believe, a chain strap, or at least it has a chain detail on it. Let's see. Yep, it's chain detail plus snakeskin. So I thought this was a really cute combination to have all these different leathers going on, and a really nice size. I feel like it could go from a crossbody to more of an evening bag really easily. So that's why I thought it would be interesting to kind of take a look at in person. And you can see there's 2 compartments here. I have to see if my phone would fit in there. It might be kind of tight. And then another compartment here. Pretty basic on the inside. Once again, all fabric interiors in these because they are made for the factory outlet. Usually only see the leather interiors for the retail bags. So the last bag that I picked up is a retail style that they had on the sale. And it's bigger than I was expecting. I've been wanting to try out this leather, so I was interested to see it in person and see if I liked it or hated it. So this is the Rogue shoulder bag. There's no top handles on this style, so you just have shoulder straps. And this is in the, I would say, they don't call it their caviar leather, but that's really what it is. It reminds me a lot of the Chanel's caviar leather. If you can, I'm trying to get a shot of the leather texture here. It's super durable, so that's why it's really appealing. It doesn't have quite the same softness and warmth as glove tan leather, so I was just kind of interested to see it in person and see if I thought it was too cold and structured for me. But actually, I kind of like the texture in person, and the color is actually very nice. It's a nice gray. It's not muddy, which is great. And then the inside is leather, and it is that beautiful oxblood color that looks so good with this gray outer color. It's a really nice pop on the inside. And then you can see the straps have the C logo chain detail on the ends, and then a leather piece in the middle, so it's nice and comfortable to carry. So I will unwrap this more and take a look at it. Just my first impression though, I really like it. Let's see, I think my receipt's in here. Let's see what I paid. And I don't think this includes the 15% off. So all of these were about 50% off, and then I got an additional 15% off on top of these prices. So the Rogue shoulder bag was around $250, and then I got 15% off that. The Avery crossbody was around $120, and then I got 15% off that. The Avery shoulder bag was also $120 with an additional 15% off. And then last but not least, the Amber Hobo was more pricey. It was $170 because of all of the exotic leather detail on it with an additional 15% off. So I'm definitely gonna look these over in person, unwrap them more, try my stuff in them, and see which ones I think I want to keep. And then I will be back on here with an update video at some point to let you know what I decided to keep and why. And if you guys have any questions about any of these styles, or want to make sure that I do an in-depth review video, even if I don't keep it and I take it back, please comment below and let me know so I can film one. All right, guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.